Installation and care, replacing the composite True HEPA H13 and Super Absorbent carbon filter. First, turn off the power and unplug the air purifier. Then rotate the bottom cover counterclockwise to the open position. Remove the advanced cartridge from the bottom of the air purifier. Remove the advanced cartridge's quick-release lid. Next, remove the used True HEPA H13 and Super Absorbent carbon composite filter. Remove the pre-filter from the cartridge by separating at the fastener. Gently hand wash and rinse the pre-filter with dish soap and water. The removed composite filter contains trapped airborne contaminants. Place it in your garbage. It is not recyclable. Unpack the new advanced cartridge replacement filter. Note: allow the pre-filter to fully dry before reattaching. Reattach the pre-filter to the new advanced cartridge replacement filter. Place the advanced cartridge replacement filter over the base. Make sure it rests inside the base's lip. Replace the quick-release lid. Make sure the filter fits inside the lid's lip and rotate the lid to lock it into place. Place the refreshed advanced air filter cartridge into the air purifier and lock the bottom cover. Press the filter symbol for 3 seconds to reset the machine. With a clean filter, the Simply Conserved tabletop air purifier traps particles down to 0.3 microns in size, removing viruses, bacteria, mold, odors, and common allergens. Sit back, relax, and breathe easy. We offer a variety of products to meet your unique needs. To choose the products that are right for you, visit us at amconservation.com.